Welcome! In this lesson, we will build an intuitive understanding of for loops, and while loops in Python, we will control loops with break and continue, nest loops, and finish with two common loop patterns. First, the for loop. A for loop runs once for each item in a sequence. We will loop through a list of fruits and print a sentence for each fruit. Then we will watch a pointer step through the list, one fruit at a time. We often loop over numbers using the built-in range. Range of 5 produces 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can give a start and a step. For example, start at 2 and count by 2s up to 10, producing 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, the while loop. A while loop repeats as long as its condition is true. We will count upward while count is less than 5. Watch the loop cycle and the variable update, then the condition becomes false and the loop stops. Another while example, repeat until the user types yes. We will simulate typing no, maybe, and then yes. The loop continues until the condition becomes true. We can control a loop using continue and break. Continue skips the rest of this turn. Break exits the loop immediately. We loop from 1 to 5, skip 3 using continue, and break at 5. Nested loops. A loop inside a loop. Let us process pairs. Here, I goes from 1 to 3, and for each I, j goes from 1 to 3. We will highlight each pair in a 3 by 3 grid and print I equals something, j equals something. Two common loop patterns are summing and searching. First, summing 1 through 10. Then, searching a list for a target, stopping early with break when we find it. Tips to choose the right loop. Use a for loop when you know how many times or when you traverse a collection. Use a while loop when you repeat until a condition changes. Always make sure a while condition will eventually become false to avoid an infinite loop. With these tools, you can automate repetitive tasks cleanly in Python. Practice by writing loops and tracing them step by step.